Hey, this is Liz at Lizzy's Fresh Coffee, and I'm going to show you how to create a customized photo coffee label right here on our website. So when you first arrive at lizzysfreshcoffee.com, click on the Customize tab. This gives you a few options. You can first create a custom holiday photo label, which has really festive designs. You could do your own art, which is where you create your own art on your own art program and then upload that in complete format. You can do custom business labels, custom note cards, some non-festive photo labels, and even some special events labels. Let's go ahead and click on the holiday label. The next step is to select which template you like. So take a look around, say, okay, maybe I like this guy right here. It's offered in a 12-ounce size, and I click Customize Your Label, and it brings up the detail of the label, and all we have to do is just fill in the little details on the side here. So the label choice is pre-filled for us. The label greeting is this information right here. In this case, it's 30 characters. This Happy Holidays is pre-filled, so we can't change that. Some of them you have other options, but in this case, we just have that customization. So maybe we just type in Love the Smiths, and that shows up right there. Next, we're going to look for our photos. We browse, and this takes you to your computer and your pictures and where you keep those on your file environment. This popped in here upside down, but not to worry. We have all these great little controls under here where we can move everything around. We can turn it around. So we're going to scooch that over, maybe scooch it up this way. Still feels a little too big, so we can shrink it like this. Maybe scooch it back over this way. It's like playing a fun little video game. And back down, and then maybe, okay, we're happy with that. That looks great. Next step is special instructions. If you have anything you need to tell us, like maybe can you help me crop out the weird Uncle Vern in the background, or I have a question about something I didn't know how to rotate, and we'll see those instructions as your order comes in. Next, select your coffee choice. All of our signature coffee offerings are available here. If you don't know which coffee, you don't know the descriptors of what you'd like, you can click on the Quick Coffee Overview, and that pops up, and you can read all the information about the coffees and make your selection that way. So we're just going to select our holiday coffee. Next, you can select if you'd like that whole bean or ground. Whole bean is what we're going to select today. And then you can select if you'd like it roasted right away, which will be on our very next available roasting date. Or if you want to select a date out in the future, you can look at the calendar and say, you know, I think I'd like it on December 12th, roasted and shipped. We're going to order one of these, and if I don't like what I've done, I can cancel and start over. But if I like what I've done, everything's looking good, just go ahead and add that to my cart. So now in my cart, I've already done one earlier, is the information on this label. The picture image number that it assigned here. You won't see the photo here in this small little icon, but everything is here in complete form. And that's it. If I want to go and keep shopping, I can click Keep Shopping and select another label, create another one, and just keep adding them to the cart one by one. Or I can check out from here, just like we normally do, and we're good to go. If you have any questions on this, you can always use our little chat box on the bottom right-hand corner of our website, or contact us at orders@lizzysfreshcoffee.com, or give us a call via our contact information at the back of our webpage. Thanks so much. Have fun shopping.